Hey guys, Snow here, back with another video, and today we are on the 3rd of December. So, we are going to be getting our gift today, but it seems like that there's a picture of a masterpiece token by number 4, number 7, number 4, number 14, number 20, and other ones. Well, anyway, I assume that you get a masterpiece token in that one, but anyway. Here, get 1 diamond, and we get Jamaailday Mech angel wings. I was always wondering where people were getting those Mech angel wings, but now I officially know. So it goes so well. But yeah, now I officially know where people get, wait, what? Okay, I might buy a lot of these. And then I might, gather them around the fire pit. Because, I mean, come on, guys. That is a pretty good, But yeah, Jamaaildays is pretty cool. I am also going to do Animal Jam Playbar videos, and I do have an Animal Jam Playbar account, guys. Yes, I made it yesterday, so it's really new. So oh, ornament earrings. Why, guys? I guess, I just remember that is the rare item Monday. So I'm gonna check that out. If it even is in the Jamaailday store. Nope, doesn't look like it. Now let's check Epic Wonders. Now, let's go up here then. Check here. Let's check Diamond Shot. Maybe I've just misread somewhere, but I really don't know. Let's check. No, I suppose it isn't in Epic Wonders. So maybe it's underwater. I don't really know. Oh my god, is that like an Ariel necklace? I swear that's like Ariel right there. Man, I can't find the Rare Monday, guys. Well, what other shops are there?
Have you checked?
Yes, Empty Shiver. Maybe it will be at Empty Shiver.
Einstein.
Okay, guys, I have successfully found the rare item Monday, and it is rare. Yes, and it is rare fluffy shoes. So maybe if I just delete some unwanted stuff like this dude right here, get this baby. Just take the, and just put these back on. Yeet. Why are you saying yeet? Sky28776. Anyway, let's make a look with this. Oh, let's try the snow leopard, because I don't really like the snow leopard. He's forgotten. I don't really use him. So let's just put. Oh yeah, guys, this was the gift in the calendar. I already showcased that. Probably saying that to my sister. But what? I guess we could. Oh god, that looks ridiculous. Yeah, like you. Maybe if I. Oh god, that doesn't really look that good on the snow leopard. Or maybe that straw hat. I mean, it kind of goes with it, but then actually no. So, what if we go this way? Wait, what kind? Don't know what to put on the head that will. Maybe I could actually wear this. Maybe I can. Oh, this love heart scarf would go well with the room. Just choose a better head item. Oh yeah, maybe those gazelles got the shoe. What about the tail? Maybe about these cupids. Yeah, I guess those cupids. I don't really know. What if we just? Oh God, no, it's terrible. Then maybe we put like, yeah, guys. I think I've made a successful look with the Rare Item Monday, guys. Do you like this Rare Item Monday look? Guys, do you like this Rare Item Monday look that I made from scratch? Anyway, guys, there's a new bundle out. Go get the Jolly Jamaailday bundle. Hopefully, I will be getting that bundle and I will be showcasing it. I probably won't get the bundle because I never really get the bundles because I really can't be bothered. But anyway, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.